Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I would like to show you how to generate an Earth map, a complete Earth map using the pre-filtered PBF file. This will save a lot of time compared to the Planet OSM file. So what we need to do is go to the website, the earthtiles.modfo.net, and scroll to the installation blog post. Here again we scroll down until we see this custom filtered PBF file add-on. This is optional to save time, and here again we can download it from one of the hosters or directly from the website. So I will save this zip file to my PC. Once the download is finished, we open the download folder and we copy this zip file and paste it in the EarthTiles project folder we created at the installation. So paste here, and like in the installation we need to unzip this. I'm using 7-zip and select extract files here. It's important to extract it here. So I was generating a map before, so there's already a file in this folder. So I say yes, I want to overwrite this file. Once the extraction is complete, we can delete the zip file. And then we go to the tile selector, go to settings and jump over to map generation. And here we can check the reuse filtered PBF file, because we just downloaded this filtered PBF file. So we don't need to convert it for ourselves, and this will save a lot of time. So check this one, save, and now you can go to selection and the same as before, select some tiles, press generation, and everything will work. So that's all. Thanks for hearing, and stay healthy, and goodbye.